Hi, and welcome back. Today is February 3rd, 2020. It's approximately 10 o'clock at night, and I'm going to try to get in an hour or two at least on the Bronco. Let me show you what I plan on doing today. My goal today, or tonight, is to remove this paint off the rocker panel and up the door posts on each side. As you can see, there is a lot of rust all underneath it, and I'm sure there's going to be rust up in here too, as well as over here. Here's the back side of it. My question for tonight is, if someone's going to replace the floor and the rocker panels, what would you replace first? Because I got both the inner and outer rockers. I was just confused on if I do floor first or the rockers. Any helpful comments are welcome. Please, I need all the help I can get. After thinking about it, I think I'm just going to cut that rocker panel somewhat out to see what's underneath it, which I know is going to probably be more rust, but I'm just going to give it a shot. My question now is, if this part is okay, can I, or should I, put a new rocker panel from here down? But I think the back one needs to be replaced too. I think I'm gonna take the paint off this and see how well it looks from the top, and then look underneath the bottom, because it feels pretty solid. I believe that is all I can do body work wise. So my compressor started throwing water through the hose. Now I'm going to take the fender flares off the back. I think it's about time for me to head back in. I need to pull one order that I sold on eBay and ship it out before I go to bed. So, see you tomorrow.